Hello everybody, my name is Horacio and I am here to explain how to make a solar kitchen. For this experiment we need two cardboard boxes of different size. The difference in size between the boxes must be such that when placed on inside the other there is a difference of the least 4 centimeters between all the walls except for the entrance of both boxes, where they can touch. This diagram you are seeing on the screen can illustrate this point. A minimum size of 40 centimeters on the side of the box is recommended. Although with smaller boxes it may work. One sheet of glass, or preferably of transparent plastic a little larger than the opening of the small box, but smaller than that of the large box. Non-toxic black paint or matte black metal tray. Cardboard sheet must be one size larger than the mouth of the large box. Insulating material. It can be of any type as long as it is not toxic and withstands high temperatures, such as straw, cork, crumpled paper, expanded polystyrene, wood, and feathers. Aluminum foil. Non-toxic glue. Glue and glue work perfectly, as tools, cutter, scissors, glue for paper or cardboard, and adhesive tape. Steps for the elaboration of the solar kitchen. Step 1. Turn the large box upside down. On the top of it, place the small box face up, centered on the rear face of the large box. Mark the shape that makes the small box over the large one. Using a utility knife, cut the bottom of the large box along the marked lines so that the small box can be inserted into the large box, leaving in an air chamber between the walls of the two boxes of the least 4 centimeters. Step 2. Line all of the inside and outside of the small box and all of the inside of the large box with the glue and aluminum foil, including the lids and buttons. The procedure consists simply in applying the aluminum foil sheet to the previously glued cardboard surface. It can be smoothed with a cloth to avoid wrinkles, although add later is not important. Step 3. Insert the small box into the hole we made in the large box, until the tabs on the small box meet the bottom of the large box. Step 4. Cut off the excess of the small box lids to fit the walls of the large box. Glue these lids onto the large box to form a single piece or box. Step 5. Paint the side of the oven black directly onto the cardboard. You can also insert a matte black tray or sheet into the inner bottom of the small box and line the sides of the oven with aluminum foil. The idea is that there is a black element that transforms light into heat. Step 6. Turn the oven box upside down and open what was the entrance to the old big box. When you open it, You will have access to the space between the old big box and the small one. Fill the space between the walls of the two boxes with insulation material. Once all this space is filled, close the covers with Adhesive tape. This thermal insulator is used to prevent the heat that has been concentrated inside the oven from being dispersed. Step 7. To make the lid, use the cardboard sheet. Mark on it the outer and inner edges of the oven walls. What were the tickets of the old big and small box? Fold and cut as shown in the diagram below, forming a lid that fits with the oven entrance and leaving an heated lid. Line the heated lid on the inside with aluminum foil and its bridges part. If you are using clear plastic, glue it to the inside of the lid. If you use glass, it is lid on it. The reflected heated lid allows extra solar energy in the form of light to be introduced into the interior of the solar oven. For its part, the transparent material is responsible for causing of greenhouse effect and thereby increasing the temperature inside the oven. Step 8. Maintain the proper inclination on the heater lid and achieve the correct angle that allows you to introduce more solar energy into the oven. You will need to make a rod. To do this, take a thick wire, for example that of a hanger, and bend it at its ends in the opposite direction as it appears in the photo. The ends of the wire will be inserted into the tunnels in the middle layer of the corrugated cardboard coming out to the outside, one in the cardboard of the flap and the other in the base of the lid. If we have cut the cardboard in the wrong direction, simply glue additional cardboard strips as done in the example in the photo. And well, as you could see, those were the steps for a solar kitchen. And by following all these steps, the kitchen code, sorry, will be exactly the same as the photo in the intro. As a conclusion, would like to say the purpose of this experiment, and that is that with this type of kitchens we can avoid air pollution and reduce the greenhouse gases. That is all, and see you later.